Hello friends! Here's another interesting place in Siargao, and we'll talk some more about tourism subject na I'm definitely very interesting sa inyo. So let's start! Did you know that since the 90s, we've been developing our mangroves for ecotourism? Na magtatayo tayo ng boardwalk, and then usually mga boardwalk doon sasabihin the materials will have to be sustainable, locally sourced, and ang ginagamit nila yung mga bamboo. Pero after 1 or 2 years, wasak yung bamboo, and then pag bumalik ka, hanapin mo yung boardwalk, sabihin, winasak ng bagyo o kaya nasira na, nasa luma. And then, bakit wala na? Wala na eh. Yan ang common story noon sa mga mangrove boardwalks natin. I'm not saying it's wrong, no? Pero yun yung learning natin na there are undertakings na kailangan talaga ng maintenance. Para, alam mo, ma-maintain mo yung value niya as a tourism asset. Ngayon, there's this one boardwalk na, I'm not saying unique, pero very interesting siya. Dahil it's not made of wood, it's made of concrete. And then, it's not just 100-200 meters long na usual length ng mangrove boardwalk, no? It's 1.2 kilometers long. Doon pa lang medyo maano ka na, no? Baka, ay, made of concrete, no? Pero, kahit ako noon maisip ko pa lang, boardwalk na made of concrete. Sabihin ko, ay, medyo off yan. Pero nung nakita ko tong boardwalk sa Municipality of Del Carmen in Siargao, may sense eh. Why? Kasi yung boardwalk nga, usually 1 or 2 years lang. Swerte umabot ng 5 years. Nawawasak siya eh. But this one, since it's made of concrete, you're sure na magtatagal siya. Unang tingin mo talagang alam mong ginastosan, milyones yun dahil talagang concrete siya eh. Pero ang balik nun is mas tatagal talaga yung boardwalk. And it's not a typical boardwalk wherein you walk and then somebody will guide you. Kasi sa totoo lang, mangrove boardwalks can be very boring attraction. Why? It's all green. Single lang yung color niya. And what makes it a very interesting attraction is may nagkukwento. May guide na nagkukwento about the mangroves, about the crabs, the small fishes that live there, yung molting ng crab, yung mga hermit crab, yung mga fiddler crab na nagtatawag ng probably mate niya, ina-attract niya, yung mga ganung story, yung mga ibon sa mangrove, no? Yung basically the whole ecosystem and diversity. Pag magaling yung guide, grabe yung mangrove boardwalk experience. Now, this one in Del Carmen, it's not so much of a guided thing, no, para ma-enjoy mo yung mangrove. Actually, mas may enjoy mo siya kung, let's say, nakabike ka. Kasi 1.2 kilometers yun eh. And pagka pumunta ka ng tanghaling tapat or kahit pahapon na, medyo mainit pa rin siya eh. So, mas maganda siya kung nakabike ka or let's say, naka-scooter ka, mas ma-enjoy mo yung ride. And ang maganda ron, dahil high density siya, kaya niyang magdala ng maraming tao, matinding activities. Pwede ka mag-jogging sa gabi, sa hapon, dati may ilaw yon, nawala lang yung mga ilaw. So, I hope na maibalik nila yung ilaw para mas ma-enjoy mo yung mangrove, no? Pero of course, may issue yon kasi pag naglagay ka ng ilaw, madi-disturb yung nocturnal or yung nighttime animals doon. So, kailangan well-designed yung ilaw doon na nasa bandang sahig lang siya, gano'n. Muted yung lighting niya, hindi masyadong bright. And then, siguro more of reddish para hindi masyadong kita ng mga hayop, no? Kasi pag bright, nakaka-disturb talaga yun. So, kailangan talaga maayos na design kung lalagyan ng ilaw. And then, makulay siya. It's a very different experience. You can enjoy the mangrove boardwalk kahit wala kang guide. Kasi yun nga, maglakad ka, mag-jogging ka, mag-bike ka. May enjoy mo siya talaga. I can assure you, no? Ma-appreciate mo siya. Hindi sayang yung time na i-google mo. Let's say, pumunta ka ng Sugba Lagoon, lalo pa kung DIY ka, and then may konti ka pang panahon. 30 minutes, that would be enough, no? You don't have to walk through the entire 1.2 kilometers. Pero makikita mo, pwede talaga siyang puntahan. May mga plano ron, pwedeng magkaroon siguro ng tinatawag na canoe or kayak, pero sa akin wala pa, no? So yun lang, marami pang attractions sa Del Carmen na pwede nating ipakita sa inyo sa mga susunod. Maraming salamat!